I think I should go to Disney World. I have been there. I have never been there. It looks really fun. Because it has because it has lots of animals and princesses. I love riding roller coasters. I think I should go to Disney World.